Good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen. Before we get to work on our logo houses, I need you to add a special tool to Google Chrome. Start by clicking a brand new tab, and then up in the top left hand corner, click the Apps button. We want to go to the web store, and I want you to add a screen capture tool called Nimbus. Once Nimbus Screenshot and Screen Recorder appears, click the Add to Chrome button and choose Add that extension. It'll take just a moment for it to get added, and then you'll see it pop up in the right hand corner. There it was, and it pops up a page where you could watch a couple videos to learn how to use it. Instead of watching somebody else's video though, I'm going to have you watch my video. I want you to visit Thingiverse, which we've already set up a couple of times. And when you get to Thingiverse, make sure you do the sign in just in case you find something awesome. I am going to show you how to find me as a user. So I'm going to type The Roar. And when The Roar pops up, instead of things, well, look at, there you are. I show up as the creator of these. When you visit me, you can follow me. And then if you look at my 204 designs, find one design that you think is cool. And then I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of it. So I think it's kind of cool that this one has got 48 likes. That's pretty impressive in my world. So I am going to click on this, and then here's how Nimbus works. Click on the Nimbus button, and I want you to use selected area. It pauses a little bit, and then you can grab a little picture and simply hit the check mark to save it. It pops up the Save As window, and I'm going to put it in my documents so that it is stored, and it keeps where it was from and the date so I can keep track of it. So if this was for a classroom project, you could turn it in. Right now, it's just proving how we can do it. If you like the cool thing that you found, you can hit the like button. Of course, you can subscribe to me, and at this point, it's time to get to work on your classroom stuff. Good job. Thanks for watching. If this movie helped you at all, please click that like button. If you haven't hit subscribe, you can hit subscribe. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, click that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, friends.